Hey everyone, Pete Calandra here. Today's video is the second in a series on creating complex rhythms using pitched percussion. As in the previous video, we'll be taking a look at this in context, meaning that we'll be looking at a section from a short film score I composed in August of 2024. The technique we'll be focusing in on here is how to superimpose different time signature feels over a few measures of 12/8. As I filmed this video a couple of weeks ago and just editing it today, I had a comment on the previous video that I wanted to interject here in my monologue, and that is none of the individual parts are very complicated. It's the aggregate, how they all add up together and how they all fit together that creates the effect that we're going for. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. For more content, please subscribe, and to be notified, ring that bell. Please leave any comments or questions down below. Thanks so much for watching, and let's get right into it. In our second example, we've got a more dramatic piece, and we'll see what I do in this section here to enhance what's going on. So we'll take it from a little bit before so you can hear how it transitions in. Let's take a listen. And we're only looking at the pitched percussion here, but we'll hear the entire track. What we've got going on here with the pitched percussion is the xylophones giving us the dun dun ticka dun dun ticka dun dun ticka dun dun, and it's really punching that out. Xylophones can cut through anything. It's really amazing just how loud they can be. Going along with that, we have this marimba figure. So when we listen to this, instead of the feeling of being in any kind of 4/4 time, which 12/8 really is 1, 2, 3, 4, we actually feel like we're in 3 here. Again, we're affecting the feel without changing the time signature. So let's listen to that one more time, and you can clearly hear that it feels like it's in 3. I'll count along this time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? Or you could think of it as 6, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, right? If we look at the celeste line here, it's a descending line, and it's doing A flat, F flat or E natural, E flat, and A flat. So it's a 4-note figure that repeats. That also helps to add to the 3 feel because we have 4 eighth note triplets 3 times, which is 12 eighth note triplets, or 1 full measure of 12/8. Interesting, right? With this one, you could almost count it in 6. This one is definitely 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So again, it's kind of a polyrhythmic thing, giving the impression or the illusion of multiple time signatures happening all at the same time. Let's listen to that with the top 2 lines, and then we'll talk about the harp. Now, the harp gives us a different feel, and it's a broken arpeggio of a D-flat suspended triad, going up and down 2 octaves. So we could think of this time-wise one of 2 ways. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, right? So, you can do it one of 2 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, right? So however you want to hear that, but it gets us away from the 3 feel. Let's listen to that with first the celeste. Right, so that's really cool. It's, just superimposing 2 time signatures at the same time. And then with the marimba. And then with the xylophone. One thing I want to talk about also is that xylophone is sort of working in concert with the trumpets. I've just soloed the trumpets. We won't look at the notation, but we'll be able to hear it. All right, and that's a look at a couple of ways that I employ pitched percussion to add some rhythmic vitality and complexity into my orchestral works. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. For more content, please subscribe, and to be notified, ring that bell. Please leave any comments or questions down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. I've been Pete Calandra. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.